Adventures with Pats. If you own a Kenmore Smartwash Elite and she goes up in this portion of the fucking unit, don't bother watching any other fucking videos on the internet, because all they're gonna do is talk in a computer voice and say, "Call a fucking technician." I'm gonna show you what the problem was. You can take out 3 simple screws. They're located right about here's these, and here's these. And this little fucking arm here, you can see it's encrusted with some fucking filth. Who knows, might be hard water or whatever. That little bastard gets a little bit, you know when you bend your arm too far? Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's what happened with this little prick. It had gone too far, as we all do sometimes. All you do is just a little nudge. Just a little nudgeroo. I wish I would have videotaped it before I fixed it. But I'm confident that this piece of shit will fuck up again. And when it does, I'll videotape it then. Have a great day out there. This is a Kenmore Elite Smartwash quietpak9. Okay? Take the top panel off. Don't be sticking your tongue in anything in here like there is components. You know, oops. Careful what you're fucking sticking your hands into. Well, with 3 wee screws. Just 3 wee screws like this in the back. You don't have to take all the sides off or nothing. You just take the top off. Finger banger. Alright there. Right. Stick on the ice. Feet on the pegs. Right hand crank. Keep your head up.